We're going to be doing the oil change on a 2023 Honda HR-V. Okay, we're going to start by removing the engine oil cap. If it's hard, you can use some pliers to twist it. Go ahead and remove it. Then I'll put it right here on the hinge, so that way if I forget to install it, we won't be able to close the hood. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and remove this cover. So it has Phillips heads and then it has flat. So we're going to go ahead and remove them. Okay, so with the 17 millimeter, we're going to go ahead and remove the drain plug. Okay, and while that's draining, we're gonna go remove our oil filter. All right, let's go ahead and remove the oil filter completely. Make sure the oil seal came out. Okay, let's install our new oil filter. Okay, you want to tighten this hand tight. Don't use any pliers. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna install a new washer on it. Let's go ahead and install the plug now. And then we're gonna torque it to specs. Okay, we're gonna torque this to 30 foot-pounds. Okay, let's go ahead and clean the area. Okay, let's go ahead and add oil. So this vehicle takes 4.4. Let's go ahead and start oil cap. Okay, after we install the oil cap, let's go ahead and run it for a little bit, and then we're gonna check the level. Okay, as you can see, it's at level. Just go ahead and install it back. And let's clean the area up. Okay, and that's how you do an oil change.